Hello my people, Africa, typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. Okay, today I want to show you this is what we are doing here. This is a flower pot, like you see how it is. You can see we have another one for the red color. This is the paint we used here, like this, to paint this. You can see. Wow. So I'm inside the workshop. This is how our workshop look like. This is our workshop. That's connections, electricity connection. We have our meter there. All right, like you see, this is a broken wheelbarrow, so we have to fix it. Table frame here. We have some table frame there. And this is our working bench. This is a working table for painting. You see, this is where we used to paint the pot for the flower. We also have our safe here. Like you see, this one is already broken, I think. Oh, you have to fix this one like this. That's way. This is how everything look like in my workshop now. Okay, next we have everything. This our toolbox. Just see how the toolbox look like. So I have to open it and see everything inside because we are ready to start our classes very soon, you know. So this is how our toolbox look like. We have grinding machine, painting machine, fan. We also have a grinder there. Okay. All right. This everything look like, man. Like I told you before, guys, we are trying to start a arc welding school. We are not registered at this time, so someone told us that we have to register first of all. To register, then after that, we'll start teaching other people. But this one, I just want to give them the skills, and that's why I wanted to give the boys the skills how to weld, fabricate, because I know welding, but I got welding from the tourists when they're coming to our village. Others are teaching me how to weld, and that's why I got these skills, right? So I wanted to pass the skills to another youth there outside there, and that's why I decided to start this. You see, this is my workshop. This is how it looks like, man. So you see the other side here, we have this mabati sheet. They are brand new. I decided to put this on the other side, like you see there. This is the old one I got from my friend, so I decided to fix it. Later, when I get money, I can put it all over here to be like this. And the next, you see the other side, this is how our workshop look, man. So you are trying. We don't have so much money to build the big workshop for the trade, you know, but with time, when the time comes, we'll try to fix it, to expand it bigger, so that we can have some classes. So this one, like this one, we already have two table frames. We need, what we need is just the top. When we get the top and we expand the workshop, so that's why we'll try. And after you also get the papers from the government, so that we can try to start a skill school, arc welding skill school. And this one of the, like you see here. So we are going to paint it. Okay, we are going to paint. It's made of sandy soil and cement, you see. Yeah, so we are going to paint all this, and this will be the base will be here. And this one, you see the flower pot, how it look inside. Just see, we paint more colors, the red, blue, and we have more, so you have to fix it so that we can get a number of pots. And also we have this grilling gate. We are going to paint it and fix them for the display also. Okay, we have some meetings here to be done, but you are just chilling a little to see wherever we can get. If you can see, we have one student who is trying to weld a motorbike there. You see? It's ready. That's the name of the workshop. So, like I told you before, we're trying to fix everything here, and we are blessed, guys. We are blessed. Are blessed. So imagine from the bush to the town, to from the bush to the city, like to give the skills to other youth that out there. So this is how everything looks like. You see, we are blessed, man. We have some very big paint here: the black, red, orange, and green. We have so many colors. So this everything look like.